Welcome to Great Minds Tutorials. This is your favorite tutor, Khodi. So this is part number 6, and in this part, I'm gonna be doing set, which is part of advanced data structures, and I'm gonna be doing a set. All right. So without a waste of time, let's just quickly get straight to it. I'm gonna come here and say new project. I'm going to say set example. Okay, that's how I'm gonna name the project. So this is the last data structure that I'm gonna be doing. That is gonna be very useful. There's a number of other advanced data structures that you can look into. Probably maybe in the future, then we can bring in them back because I want to conclude the advanced Java programming so that we can get to the most exciting and fun part of Java, which is your APIs and also the graphical user interfaces, so that we get to do the most important and interesting stuff. But before that, I need to first take you through the Java course so that you not get left behind if you're new in Java. So, okay, now I'm gonna declare a set and I'm going to declare it as a string. Names, new hash set. There we go. So I've declared a set. From the set interface. All right, so now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add into the set. So to add, it's names dot works like an array list. Khodiso, your favorite tutor. Names dot add Kelvin. So I'm gonna show you something. With a set, you cannot add duplicates. So if I were to do this and say add Khodiso, again, your favorite tutor, it won't be able to add. Let me just add something different afterwards so that you can see. Add Peter. If I were to say system.out.println and I say names, you will realize that it won't show any duplicate. It'll only show it once. So what it will do is that it'll pick up the first one. It'll pick up the second one as Kelvin. Then when it picks up Khodiso again, gonna forget the other one and then take in the current one. That is the thing about sets that you must be careful of. It doesn't store any duplicates. So now I'm gonna show you how you can display. I think we can use an iterator class. So we can say iterator it new. No, it's not new. We have to say names dot iterate. So I just need to import this from java.util stuff. So now I'll use a while loop. I'll say while it.hasNext. And then inside the while loop, I'll just loop through the while loop as long as it's got something. So that is what this hasNext is going to do. So I use this iterator method together with the iterator class. And the iterator class is found under the java.util also. So there is a way you can do this. Instead of you writing java.util, you can just remove all of this and you can put a star here, meaning that everything that is under java.util, let it be imported. So instead of you writing java.util iterator.set.hashset and all of those. So now in here, I'm gonna say it.next. Then it should be able. But oh wait, It's not make sure. I was supposed to do the system.out.println line. So I wanted to do the shortcut where you write out and then you say tab is gonna write system.out.println line for you. So and then in this case, I'm gonna say it.hasNext. And it should be able to display all of the names which are found inside the. That's not supposed to do that. It's not supposed to say no. We're not looking for hasNext. We're looking for next. Let me remove this it.next. Next. This one. Not hasNext. Okay, hasNext obviously is gonna say true all the time. It's gonna keep it as a true. So it's an infinite loop. So just to stop that, we're gonna do this. So you see, it's able to say Kelvin, it's able to say Khodiso, and then say Peter. That is how we actually use a set in order for us to display. So there's a couple of other stuff that you can do with your set, which I'm not gonna dwell on that, mostly because we have done that as part of part number 4 and also part number 5. So in this case, what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm just gonna browse through them. So you can check if it's empty. That we've been doing all along. It's gonna tell you a true or false if it's empty. Here is the iterator. I've already demonstrated how it works. We have added. You can check the size. That also, meaning that if we check the size, then it's gonna give us the size. And what's the other thing? I think you can clear. So let's see when we say names. It should be able to clear. If we say names.clear, it should be able to clear it and show us an empty. Yes, it's able to do that. So that's primarily more or less what you should expect. It repeats some of the stuff they repeat. Okay, the other thing is that you can remove a specific object, saying that I want to remove Khodiso. It's gonna remove everything that is Khodiso inside of it. And oh no, I didn't display anything. So immediately after this, I must say system.out.println, and I must display names. You'll see it's only going to be Kelvin and Peter. So there we go. It's just Kelvin and Peter. So Khodiso has been removed. Why? Because I've removed Khodiso. And the other thing that you can do, so that's primarily more or less it. That's more or less it. Those are the most important ones that you're going to be looking at. And that is it from me for this episode or part. And till on the next one. So in the next one, we're going to be doing the last advanced data structure, which is a map, but we're going to be specifically looking at the hash map. And that is it from me. Till the next time we drop, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your favorite tutor, Matt. Cheers.